Welcome. So today we're going to go over how you would replace the dome light in a 2020 Mitsubishi Mirage. And this dome light is right here in the center of the vehicle if you're sitting in the front seat. So you're going to want to get this cover to come off that covers the light. You can use a plastic removal tool. So you take your plastic removal tool, there is a little indent here that you can kind of get it to pry in, and then just remove the cover. And then we've got the little light here. It's a nice little tube light. You're going to want to grip it, move it to the left because we got the release tab in there. So you would take your new bulb, put the left end first into the hole there, and then just push it up until it snaps. And then go ahead and make sure that it's working. It works. You've got your door setting with the door open or on all the time. Right? Then just push this back in. There are two tabs that are going to line up on here, and then this tab, and then you just push it in until it snaps into place. And that's how you would replace your dome light on a 2020 Mitsubishi Mirage.